In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom unsubscribe link in ConvertKit, which is the absolute best email marketing tool to remove subscribers from a sales funnel. This is great if you're sending out a sales sequence after a webinar, for instance, and one of your subscribers wants to stop receiving your emails about your online course, but still wants to remain on your email list at large. Because if they click on this unsubscribe link over here, they'll be removed from all mailings. And by clicking on this link instead, they'll remain on your list. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time we post a new video. Welcome to Yes to Tech, where we empower non-techie online entrepreneurs like you to maximize your online presence. First of all, if you don't have a ConvertKit account already, click on the link in the description box below to create your account right away. The first thing we need to do to create a custom unsubscribe link in ConvertKit to remove subscribers from a sales funnel is to create an automation rule so that everyone who clicks a specific link is removed from our sales sequence. To access the automation options, just click on the Automations tab up top and then select Rules from the right-hand side menu bar. To add a new automation rule, click on the blue plus Add Rule button from the right. Just as a side note, automation rules are not set retroactively, meaning that an automation will only be applied to a subscriber-based action that occurs after the automation rule was created. So once we click on the plus Add Rule button, we'll be redirected to this page that's composed of two columns, Trigger and Action. From the Trigger column, select Clicks a Link over here. Name that link such as unsubscribe from webinar sales sequence and add a destination URL. This is the URL your subscribers will be redirected to after they click a link inside your email broadcast. Since our trigger will be to unsubscribe someone from our webinar sales sequence, this destination URL can be to your website's homepage or to a page on your website that says, "You won't get any more emails about my course." So let's add a destination URL over here. Since my webinar registrants and attendees were tagged with an attended or registered tag, I will select in the Action column to remove the attended and registered tag of everyone who clicks this link over here. So let's go ahead and add as our action to remove those tags. So remove the attended and remove the registered. And then let's go ahead and click on Save Rule on the bottom right of the page. Okay, so now at the bottom of our sales sequence emails, so let's go ahead and create a new broadcast. So this is our sales email over here. And at the bottom of our email, we can add a disclaimer that says, click here to unsubscribe from the sales sequence. Now to link this disclaimer over here to the link trigger we just created, click on the Insert Link button, which is this one, instead of pasting a URL in this area, click on Link Triggers on the right and select the appropriate link trigger, which will usually be at the bottom. So unsubscribe from webinar sales sequence, and then click on Insert. And that's it. Now you know how to create a custom unsubscribe link in ConvertKit to remove subscribers from a sales funnel. So everyone who clicks this link over here will be removed. To take things to the next level, make sure to watch my video on how to create automation rules in ConvertKit to create an autopilot system. Again, if you don't have a ConvertKit account yet, just click the link in the description box below to create your account right away. I now want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below if you've added a custom unsubscribe link to your sales sequence or broadcasts in ConvertKit. If you're interested in learning about even more brilliant tools you can use to run your online business, make sure to download the free cheat sheet with the 9 absolute best tools to run your online business by clicking on the link in the description box below. If you liked this video, give me a like below, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.